Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Rochelle Escovilla. I am 45 years old, and I have three kids, all girls. Their ages are 24, 19, and 13, and they are studying in college right now. So I have an experience to work in Hong Kong before as domestic helper. For my first employer, I get 6 years finished contract. I take care 9 years old and newborn baby. I love to cook. I love to take care kids, and I sending my kids to school. Love to play with them, and then teach them how to speak good English also. And then my second employer is I do also cooking. I do also sending the child to school, and then cooking her breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then accompanied her to their sports in school. And then my third employer, also, I have three kids, and they have also elderly, the yeye and the mama. And then the couple, I have take care also two pets, two dogs and two cats. And then Uh, I do also cooking, car washing, and then marketing also. Yeah, I love to cook also with this family. So that's all.
Okay, so you have much experience.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have a newborn baby experience. So can you share more how you take care of them?
I take care with them with um
So you will feed the milk.
yeah, feeding for the newborn baby. I feeding preparing for her feeding milk, and then um
Change diaper.
preparing healthy food also by myself, like potato, crushed carrots, and then with crushed apple, something like that. I do blend for myself so that the baby can eat healthy food.
So why do you want to come back and work again?
Yeah, I love to work in Hong Kong because for my family, for my children's needs. So I need to earn more money because of their schooling.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.